Hello everyone to the car accident situation. Pedestrians cross the street stupidly and with funny situations. The red car is out of control. It rushed forward and was stabbed out of the roadway. An angry buffalo. It ran to the front of the car and rammed it. The tire was punctured by the horn. Its power is amazing. Wow, lucky car. The accident haunts the eyewitnesses. Crocodile's perfect bite. But you can't eat it. Idiots in cars. The car opposite ran a red light. It deserves a hit. What is this? She's still so friendly. The series of accidents stemmed from the stupid handling of the driver. The car has a special style like no other. The car suddenly changed lanes and the accident happened. The speed is too high. The car loses control and is thrown out of the roadway. The ambulance was not allowed to give way and was hit very hard. It's quite expensive to repair the car for this case. Oh, what's wrong with that driver? Two cars don't understand each other. Oh my god, the hook hit a crocodile. This case is considered abandoned. Athletes who jump less than 1 meters. Calm down. That car isn't that cute. The bottle is really eye-catching. When you come to a turn, go slowly and calmly. The car crossed the red light. This driver should be severely punished. Oh no, poor trash cans. It sucks when the car opposite turns on the headlights. A suitable parking spot for that vehicle? That's the hardness of two cars. You're lucky to be in the water, buddy. What's the hurry? Let's go slowly. The sea brought her a fish. Idiots in cars. That woman was almost in danger. The boy was chased by a bird. Let's run fast. Oh, it's bad for the cars not to be flooded like that. The white car was hit very hard. And two cars stopped to talk. Pickup trucks are stupid. Wow, how can she do that? Healthy woman. Oh no! The accident was so terrible. The storm was so strong that the weight of the car could not support it. It's dark. This car is moving normally. Oh, slight collision. That car was going very fast. The impact was so strong that the car's glass was also shattered. Rolling many times. Very dangerous for that driver. No, don't do that. Luckily, this driver handled it successfully. Did you see anything? Car hospital? The heavy rain made it very difficult to move. Even the road was flooded. Crazy car. Out of control. Oh, back to the house gate. The driver didn't care and just left. That car is reversing very fast. It pierced the wall of the house. Looks great, but still has to spend money to fix the car. A phase of collision. The car was overturned. Control your speed and watch closely. Ah, figure skating car. Oh no! The rear of this car is too hard. Ice skating game with the participation of many people, with so many cars in every segment. Sometimes being too healthy is not good. Scared. I almost broke my leg.
Oh my god!
The car suddenly lost control and jumped in front of the car. It was thrown out. A crazy car drove up and severely damaged the car. That man is criticizing the crazy driver. High speed and lack of visibility cause accidents. Idiots in cars. Oh no! Does this man have a driver's license? Don't hit me. I'll fall on my own, bro. In his hand was something like a snake. The women panicked. Was going to make a joke, but got spit in the face. No, don't drive so bad, bro. Eating a piece is not good. Luckily, she dodged. Jump, jump, jump. It hurts a bit.